scared to tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I created a makeup look for you guys, which is inspired by the upcoming holidays. I went ahead and played with my Jaclyn Hill palette, which I haven't actually touched in a very long time because if you've been following me for quite some time, I have been uploading only home decor videos, hauls, etc. So I thought today was a perfect day with Thanksgiving being tomorrow to go ahead and set this up for you. So if you guys are interested in how I created this makeup look, then let's go ahead and get started. The first shade that I think I'm going to go with is this shade right here, and I believe that one is called Hunts. So I'm going to be using Hunts today as my transition shade. So for my next shade, I want to go in with something deeper, and I'm going to be taking this color here, and that is in the color Jax. So I really want to just keep this color right in this area here, so that's what I'm going to try my best to do. Next, I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm going to blend those two colors together so that there is no harsh lines. Alright, so now I feel like I need a little bit of sparkle on my lid, so I am going to go in with a shimmer shade, and that is going to be in the color Cran Apple, and it's this shade here. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back in with that deeper shade, and I'm just going to intensify it just a little bit more, just so that I can blend. I can't talk. Just so that I can blend out this shimmer shade just a little bit. I think I want to add a little bit extra, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade here. And that is Firework. Going back in with Cran Apple, I'm going to revisit the outer corner and inner corner of my eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I will be right back to finish off my face. Today I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's the matte one, and it is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand, and I'm just going to hide these things because it has been, I don't have no cute way of doing this, so it's just gonna look like that. I don't want to use too much. Not too much. Some there, you know. I look like a ghost. I look like a ghost. Oh my gosh. Okay, usually on a daily basis I don't conceal my face at all. So this is all for you guys. Like, no, actually this is just a full coverage makeup look for me. Yeah, the bags are real, so I'm just gonna try to cover them as much as possible. I don't like being a cake face. I don't really wear that much makeup ever, so this is a little much. Oh, I forgot about my chin. bad. Okay. Next, I'm going to bring my face back to life because I'm looking a little dead right now. So I'm going to be going in with my contour kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the medium to tan one, and I'm going to be taking the shade. I'm going to be mixing probably these two shades here. I'm going to mix that in with my blush just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the lower lash line, and I'm going to I'm gonna go back in with the shade here, and that is Hunts. Now I'm just gonna basically blend out everywhere I feel is a little too harsh, so we have that nice finished blown out makeup. So for my highlighter today, I'm going to be using not an actual highlighter, but I'm going to be using a shade from the Modern Renaissance palette, and that is going to be the shade Primavera. And last but not least, to top this look off, I'm going to be going in with my lip color, and I'm using, I think this is by Huda Beauty, and it is the Liquid Matte Lipstick, Lip Stain, one of those, and, oh, the Liquid Matte Lipstick, and it is in the color Vixen. And that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited for tomorrow. It is Thanksgiving and I cannot wait to eat. Oh my god, I'm gonna gain so many pounds, but I don't even care because it's Thanksgiving and you gotta get like 20 plates, to be honest. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Thanksgiving.